What are you doing, Lucas?
Lucas is eating mashed potatoes.
Are you feeding the dog mashed potatoes? Huh? I think you're supposed to eat those mashed potatoes, not the dog.
This is Mommy's training of manners for Lucas. Daddy has nothing to do with this.
Aren't you supposed to eat the mashed potatoes?
Daddy's completely innocent of this misbehavior.
What's so funny?
Tito.
Tato? Who's getting the tato? Who's getting the potato? Are you feeding the dog under the table?